Hello, hello. I just wanted to tell you what I've done this week and how are the results. Okay, so the results are not as good as I want, to be honest, but they will not be until I've learned the skills that I need to learn. So we have around 2,700, 3,000, $2,800 profit so far, and we are at the middle of August, so that's around 1,300 per per week, something like that. So I guess if it goes forward like this, then we're gonna be somewhere around 5,000 by the end of the month, which is again stagnant. Now, of course, we're getting in more and more into the gift season, so I do expect this to go up by itself. But I do have a new ad management system now, so an agency. So we'll see how that goes. What else have I done? I've learned to not talk and take more action, and I've violated that rule a few times this week, but it's getting better. Then I've also learned there's a difference between planning and execution, and I cannot be blending these two. It's completely stupid, and I've done it so many times, and that's why I need to talk less dopamine release, and more action. This is one of my biggest faults, biggest dopamine leaks, let's say. And also with eating, I do the same mistakes. What else? Let me tell you more. Oh, I just came back from the Zakarpattia, which is a beautiful mountain range, and yeah, I'm very happy because I was in nature. We took a hike. It was beautiful, man, beautiful. But now I'm back, in my beautiful place, beautiful trees and nice nature outside. Also, the AC is fixed, so even though it's 32 degrees outside, I don't feel it here. Inside is really good. I'm very comfortable. So everything's going well, I would say. The good thing is, well, the humidity is low, also, so that's nice. All right, let's see. I've ordered a few books, which I'm gonna get into fulfillment by TikTok. My printers haven't been really reliable so far, so I need to kind of figure that out. So that took a lot of time. Scripting for simple videos take a lot of time, and yeah, no more sales on TikTok yet, but I'm gonna change that. Hopefully, been going deeper into music, and the first music should be ready soon. The first song that I'm creating in Ableton, which is, I would say, quite high quality. Of course, there's so much more to do. So much more to do. I've been doing my yoga every day. Of course, that's like kind of no need to say it because I do it all the time, right? Every day. Yesterday I was looking into buying a monitor, but I thought, like, is it like the highest leverage thing? Do I really need a monitor? Because then you get adjusted to the monitor and then you have to go back to the small laptop screen. So I just felt like it's not the time. It's better that I keep to my monitor, to what I have right now, because I've had it before. It's annoying when you get used to it and then you don't have it anymore. So what else? I had a few videos that got like 10% like rates, but they didn't get any sales. So, and they also never got more views. I would say I don't have a lot of videos that's getting more than even, I don't know, 20% watched. So of course the videos that did get sales, they didn't even have like more than 5%. So it's not that per se, but yeah, that's something that kind of worries me. Like, what am I doing wrong for the TikTok videos? But yeah, I'm gonna make a few more books for Christmas. I think that's on the plan. Then I had, of course, a few traveling days, so I didn't do that much when I was traveling. But new ads guys are hired, so we're going hard with that. That means I have my full attention back to TikTok, which is great. Yeah, so just more generations, more ideas, more things for TikTok, right? That's the focus. I've also been reading Gandhi's book, and he's such a great example of good service. He after he did a lot of service for the South African community of Indians, they wanted to give him gifts when he was leaving, and he was even asking them, "Can I leave?" And they were like, "No, we need you here." So it was very kind of funny, but he got the gifts, but then he didn't want to wear it. But the wife was like, "Oh, but what about our safety, our future?" He put it back into a fund, like a trust fund, and then used it for public projects for the same community. I think that's so smart, so good. And anyways, what do I need money for? I have a comfortable life. Why not just focus on what matters, right? So anyways, that's that. I'm continuing to create abundance in money, of course, and in options for choosing a life partner. Correct? That's the politically correct way of saying it, but it's true. Now, Gandhi's heart and moral was so like good. He wanted to truly serve, but I also see Gandhi wanted to serve on every level, like the poorest people. But Starbucks is also serving. It's just serving a different audience and a different way, right? But Gandhi, I would say, was perfect example of being a frontline leader, and he had a huge ego, but he did such good things for himself and for India, and most people in the world, right? Overall, I would say very simple life. He gave up sex. He gave up food, good tasting food, just because he knew the desires he wanted to get rid of, and this is called the concept like brahmacharya, which is cool. I like that. I've tried fasting for 3-4 days. I've gave up masturbation a long time ago. So these are good things. Also learned a bunch of small lessons, such as I should probably use the editor CapCut when it's smaller videos. Ordered the books for TikTok, and yeah, just getting better and better with my people. Also fix my sleep schedule. I would say I'm sleeping earlier now, and I'm not working after 11, so that's good. So yeah, let's see what happens next week. I'm excited, man. Time is going by, but I do feel like I'm getting more control over my time, so I'm not wasting as much. So that's amazing. Have a beautiful day. I hope I can show you better numbers and better knowledge for next time, but I'm excited. The process is getting better. Everything's getting smoother. I'm trying to cut out what's not important. And look, I have a bunch of things to do on my list. So I just see that I don't have time. So it's so important to start with the thing that matters in the morning, because the rest just don't get the time. So that's it. Yeah, I think Gandhi had a friend who said like, India's independence is my only focus. If you come with a task to me, do it yourself, because unless this is done, I'm not gonna have time for anything else. So anyways, that's it for now. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.